This is the ODB2 reader I'm going to use today. I got it off Amazon. I'll put the price and the model number on the video. And it comes with this box, and it comes with instructions. You can use a free ODB2 scanning code. I have one called Car Scanner, and I'll show you that image. Okay, you could download pretty much a bunch of different free apps for this reader. I found out that this Car Scanner ELM OBD2 works pretty well. It was easy to set up. So I installed it, and when you start it up, I think it asks you what car you have. So you pick your car, and it might even ask you if you're going to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and this device uses Wi-Fi. And you just hit connect after you get it all working. I'll show you that in the next couple of cuts. Now all you got to do to use this is put your car into on mode, and then on the bottom you plug it into the port in the bottom of your console here. This one just happens to go upside down. You don't see any of the lights. Bad design, but hey, it works. Then on your iOS device or Android, in my case it's an Android, you look for the WFIF ORDB2, which is a hotspot it creates, and it's already connected to it. And then you open up your Car Scanner app, and it probably asks you what type of car you have, model number, and model and maker and all that. And I did that already in the past, so I can't do it again. But it was pretty simple. It just asks for the type of model and car you have. And then all you got to do is connect. And it already found the device. Successful connection. And we're done. And like I did before, I hit the diagnostic code, and it brought up the screen that we had before that I'll show you right now, actually. So you get this screen, and it asks you if you want to read or clear the codes, and of course you want to read it. And then you click read on the bottom, and it starts doing its scan. And this is where the other video portion I have showing this. So it finished, and all I had was the P0455 large leak detected, evaporated evaporator. And they have a feature where you read or you can clear. I'm going to clear the code because this code comes around once in a while, and then it disappears for weeks and comes back. You just got to hit clear twice. And there we go. We're going to try to clear the code. It's at 10% already. %, 70, 75%. It's pretty cool. It lets you know how many more are left. Like there's 16 left out of 86% right now. This is a free app, so it's clearing the code. I did have trouble putting gas into the car, which kind of is a little concerning. All right. All right, it says you're all clear. Let's check the engine light. And the light is gone. So it cleared the code.